Hey, I wanted to talk some more about musical education and something called student-led learning. And here's how I apply it for on Accordion Love. How I learned piano was teacher-led training. The teacher brought out a series of books and songs and said, follow this. Here's where to put your fingers, without providing too much context, but do this and you'll understand the piano. And it worked in a way. How I onboard my students is every student that signs up for Accordion Love answers a brief questionnaire. They say, here's my background, here's my understanding, here's what I'm struggling with, and most importantly, here's the genre, here are the songs that I'm interested in. We are all musical people. You listen to music, I listen to music, some of us sing in the shower, we have rhythm inside of us. I believe that wholeheartedly. The majority of us, almost all of us, are musical people. I then send a video answer to the student explaining how to approach learning that genre or that song, explaining the framework. If you want to learn video game songs, here's how to understand that video game song. If you're interested in tangos, here's the framework of tangos. Both video game songs and tangos and klezmer music contain the chords D major and G minor, but how we approach those two chords, those notes, are very different. So it's an explanation of here's the framework of how to approach learning this song, this genre, this band. And then we can get to scales and chords and triads and arpeggios and voicings. But it's student-led. It's based on what you want to learn. And then it's my job as a teacher to help you connect to that music. In the end, we're all going to learn how to play music on whatever your instrument is. But the teachings that I'm teaching apply across all instruments. I have students that use the button accordion, that play guitar, that play piano. I demonstrate how to apply this on Christmas bells and the recorder and the glockenspiel. We're learning the language of music, but it's student-led. I'm not telling you I'm an expert in blues piano, so here's how to play blues piano. No, that's not my job as a teacher. My job is to say, hey student, what are you interested in learning? Oh, I'm interested in accompanying my voice to sing folk music. Wonderful. Let me show you how to approach accompanying voice. Here are the techniques. Here are the common chord progressions in folk music. Now that you have this framework, now let's dive into the music. Now let me show you how to play those chords. Here's some lessons. We have a group practice sessions about voicings in January. Come join these practice sessions. But again, there's never been a better time to learn, but we need to adapt the old methods of teacher-led training or book-led training and shift that into learner-led training, student-led training. It'll come from the student's interest, not from the teacher's interest.